Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this wonderful Range Rover Velar and this is the S model. So this is a really nice specification vehicle, 68 registration, and is finished in Santorini Black. Now the Velar is arguably one of the best selling SUVs, if not voted the world's best medium size SUV. And they are fantastic to drive, fantastic to own. Share the engine and running gear of the Jaguar F-Pace, so they're a 2-litre diesel, or this particular one is a 2-litre diesel. That's the 180 brake horsepower engine with the silky smooth ZF gearbox. Now this car sits on the 19-inch 5-spoke titanium alloy wheels. Santorini Black suits a Velar down to the ground. Now this particular one has got some very nice factory options. So we'll start with the Santorini metallic paint, which is £690 in this particular year. Coming round to the side, you'll see that we've got the must-have privacy glass. The side of the vehicle is in exceptional order, as they all are here at Alpha Motors. Our stock is highly presented to the highest of standards. On the rear of the vehicle, you see you've got the silver details, the Range Rover badges in silver, and then the D180S, obviously diesel, 180 brake horsepower, and the S being the trim level. So the car itself has keyless entry. You can see those little door handles that come out at the side of the door, and then when you do lock the car, they pop back in again, which I'll demonstrate for you now. But as I say, that is a factory option on an S model, so just press that one there, and it locks. The keys in the car, in my pocket rather, and then physically press it again and out she opens. Now inside, this particular model does have the full black leather interior. So we've got the power folding mirrors, electric memory heated front seat on the driver, and then the full leather interior. You do get partial leather, but this one has had the factory option of the centres also being in leather, and the contrast white stitch just sets it off. Now have a look in that cabin. I'm sure you'll agree that there isn't a better cabin on a vehicle. Now I've had a number of these, or my wife's had a number of these. Wonderful to drive, keyless, just the keys in my pocket, press the button, she starts up. This model has done 24,970 miles. I'll just close the door. This car has the Meridian sound system also, which is a lovely feature. We do have the automatic transmission, as I say, cup holders in various forms. The screens all light up then, and you get this multi-function screen. Satellite navigation, media player, phone. We can scroll through. We've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth streaming. Very nicely kitted out cars. Now I do enjoy and I do like the black detailing and piano black inlays on these. I don't smoke, and I can also smell in here that this last owner does not also smoke and the car's not been smoked in. You get the light Mosine headlining, which just gives a lovely sense of occasion in here. Paddle shift, so if you do want to drive and use the gears as a manual vehicle, you can. But yeah, lovely car. Looking in the rear, which we'll have a look at now as I climb out. Everything is in as new condition inside there. He opens the door, and we see we've got these electric seats in the rear, so we can adjust the electric backrest there. Another nice factory option. And again, the contrast white stitch that follows through all the car in exceptional order. Popping into the boot, these must have one of the biggest boots of any SUV. Look at that. Lovely condition. Doesn't have any real marks on the carpet or anything like that. Oh, and we have the spare wheel as well. So another factory option for a spare wheel. Electric tailgate, one touch, it drops and shuts. But what a wonderful car. So 2 keys, full book pack, only 24,000 low miles, with some very nice factory options. So privacy glass, full leather interior, electric memory seats. You name it, it's got it. 68 reg, so just over 3 years old. So if you'd like to reserve this vehicle, you can do. Give us a call here in Wigan. It's £250 reservation deposit. We prepare the car to the highest of standards, so you only have to visit us once. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price over the phone. Send us some images if you wish, and then if the car is as it is, we'll give the price that we say we'll give. Now have a look at underneath the advert, you'll see you've got all of the finance options. We've got PCPs on the vehicle, but the calculator's there if you did want to check out the affordability of it at your leisure. So I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dominic in sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.